Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create, sort of edit a bury a friend video on CapCut. First, you'll need a video of it, but you just need to record a before and after. And then to add the sort of strobe lights, I'm just going to select where the clip sort of goes to another clip. As you can see, this one is different from this one. So select this part, select the clip, press split, go back, and then I'm just going to press overlay, add overlay, and I'm going to go to stock videos, and I'm just going to click on the black screen, press add, and I'm just going to resize it and put it till the end of the video. Go to splice, and here you can sort of adjust the opacity of the screen. Then after that, I'm just going to go to effects, video effects. Let's go to party and find strobe light. Where is it? Here you go. To add in the flashing sort of light effect. You can add in more filters like smoke, stars, whatever you'd like, but I prefer just adding the strobe lights only. And here is the final result. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!